Hello together. Welcome to my first lesson. I want to show you how it's possible to create from an easy or from standard operation IPW in NX, a solid IPW. I have my operation list. Normally it's possible to show the display IPW, that's the state display IPW, and we see the results also from the pre-operation and so on. This IPW is just something like a graphic model, and it's not usable, or you can't measure it, and so on and so on. And I want to introduce something like a workflow, how it's possible to generate a solid IPW. Okay, let's start. We need our raw part, our blank. I have a boundary from my part. I make just a copy, paste it. Okay, so I have now 2 times the raw part and can deactivate first both of them. So we start. I have here under toolpath verify, and sorry, not verify, gouge check. And with this feature I can create a solid path and remove the solid from each other, make a Boolean operation in a construction. So I don't want to change the gouge check. I use a defined everything with 5 millimeters, and the check should be recognized as a gouge. And don't need a stop limitation. So hit OK, continue. So you see we have here all the paths will be in collision or in gouge check. So I say now that should be my tool, and I can create tool sweep from that. That's it. That is now my cutting region created from my cutting part of the tool. I say OK. Now I need to have here the solid body, deactivate it, and say now for the second operation, gouge check, user define, say again 5 millimeters, something like that. Can rise it to 20 millimeters, doesn't matter. And very important that you have all the paths generated with the gouge check. So activate it again. So gouge, you see the regions with the gouge check, and say now again calculate all the regions with the gouge check. So say OK. Now I go here and have here a lot of bodies. So I switch directly to the construction, select all my bodies and put it to my feature group, and say it's number 2, doesn't matter. So, and deactivate it. So go back to the manufacturing mode. So, and say now I want to set level profile here. Just say exactly the same. Gouge check, user define 20 millimeters. Say OK, continue, and here I have my operation. The same thing. It should run now a little bit because it's a Z level operation, a lot of paths. So it's almost done. We have now a lot of bodies. You see here about 1,000, and I switch back to the construction and select all of them. Create again a feature group. Say OK. So, and hide it. Let's build our new solid body. So, go to subtract. I have the target, I have my tool, say OK. You see here, it's not finished. So go here, activate it. You can now say I don't need this one, don't need this one, don't need this one. It should be enough. So we go unite. So I've bound it all together and say now go put it here, this group. So I have unite and we go and unite before I start to remove it with this one. I think it's necessary, not necessary, not necessary. So I finish my cleaning of my toolpath now. So that should be my toolpath. Not my toolpath, it's my result. So we try it again with united. Okay. Now it should be the first part here. Okay. Unite. So now it should work. I have unite my body, and now we have the result one. Subtract. Select the target, select my tool, and so it looks like that. And you see here we have a solid body as a raw part. So we can go ahead with all other operations you have. Say toolpath gouge check. Continue. see here. So 2 paths, okay. Go back to your construction and say subtract subtract and so on. I hope it will be a little bit helpful to understand how it works and where are the possibilities of this kind of modeling, or not of modeling. You can also use this type of geometric data generation, and I think it's a body generation, also to use to cut off any fixtures or wherever you want, or whatever you want. Yeah. Sorry, my bad English. I hope it was understandable, and yeah, see you later.